I get asked often how to cook the perfect steak, and these are my 4 critical tips. Number 1, bring your steak out of the fridge at least 1 hour before cooking it. You don't want your steak to be too cold because it won't cook evenly. Number 2 is to season it generously, not necessarily with pepper, but season it with salt. That is going to help form a lovely crust on the steak. Number 3, get your pan prepped, so preheat it, make sure it's nice and hot, again because we want to form a lovely crust on the steak. Now of course cooking time depends on how thick your steak is and what type of steak it is. And there's this misconception that you should only turn the steak once in the pan, but I disagree. I think it's totally fine to turn your steak regularly so it cooks evenly. Now once you've cooked your steak to your liking, the next tip is resting. Always rest your meat because it'll ensure that the meat stays tender and juicy. So if I've cooked my steak for about 6 minutes, I do want to rest it for half the time, so about 3 minutes. By doing that, all of the muscles will relax and you'll get a perfect, juicy, delicious steak every time.